In this video, we show you how to enter your attendance and the dates of each session. To review what we have done so far for teaching guides how to use the web app, we first showed you how to enter your workshop by clicking on the plus sign for Add Workshop. Then you entered your participants by clicking on the enrollment icon. And in this video, we are going to show you how to enter your attendance and session dates by clicking on the attendance icon. All right, once you have logged in, go to the data section up top, click on the workshops button, and then find your workshop, which will typically be the top one, and go across with your cursor and until you see all the icons, and click on the icon of attendance. And we're going to enter our attendance for the second session. We see our participant names, their session numbers across the top. And so the first thing to do is click on an attendance code. So we've clicked on present, and that's highlighted up top. We then click on the ones that have been present at that particular session. If you accidentally click one that is incorrect, you can click again and it will disappear. We can then click on the absent code and click on those who are absent. We can also say if an absence was excused with the E, a made-up session M, and if someone arrived late, L. So after you've entered all of these, we want to make sure to press save, otherwise things won't be saved in the database. One other thing to point out, I'll look at a different workshop this time, but if I click on the attendance, you can see that the dates are not automatically filled in. If the opening session date is entered in the Edit Workshop page, that date will appear here. So we want to make sure that we do enter the dates for each of our sessions because that allows other guides to see which session we are on, and it also allows the local coordination to know what session you have next. So for this workshop, we would click on the first session, and it automatically goes to 7 days after the previous one. So we can either click on the date itself, go to the second session, or we can click anywhere else and we get it. And then we click on the third, and it's very quick just to enter all of the sessions. The only one that you want to make sure about is the 15th session, the desert, which is going to be on a Saturday. So the 14th is on the 5th of November. The 15th defaults to the 12th, but we would want to put it to the 10th. And if we wanted to save this, we would click here. So one other thing to show you is that we can go to the attendance and then click on Printable Attendance List. This opens a new tab up top, and we get a nicely formatted attendance sheet that we can use for the sessions. By the way, if some people don't show up and they have dropped out, you can change their status to dropped out and they will not appear on the attendance list anymore. So if you want to print this, you would go to File and then Print, or Command P, and you could print it out. All right, so the main points are to get your attendance in after each session, make sure that you set the dates of all the sessions as soon as possible, and print out your attendance list every once in a while so that you can more easily keep track of your attendance.